Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 70 divided by 1 by 7 times 7 minus 70 is what? So let's start with today's video solution. What people do, they cancel out the 7 with 7 and then 70 divided by 1 is 70 minus 70 which is equals to 0. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. When in an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like division, multiplication, then subtraction, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction, but we have to always solve from left to right. So it's 70 multiply divided 1 by 7. So we can write multiply 7 by 1 times 7 minus 70. 70 multiply 7 times 7. We could do 70 multiply 49 minus 70. Now if I take 70 as common, so it's 49 minus 1. That is 70 multiply 48, which is equals to do 48 multiply by 7 and put 0 then. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry over 5. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 5, 33. So it's 3360. So what is the correct answer? 3360, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.